Hello everyone, welcome to Elograce. In this video, I will show you how to install Anaconda to use data science and machine learning programming language. Before we start installing Anaconda, we must understand why Anaconda is. Anaconda is one of the popular because it brings many of the tools used in data science and machine learning like Python or programming languages with just one install. Let's have a look at how to install Anaconda step by step. Go to Google and type Anaconda installation, then search. You will find links to the official Anaconda webpage. Go and click on Installation Anaconda Documentation. On this installation document page, here you can see the installation guide provided for all the OS. I'm going to see the installation instruction for Windows. Click on Installing on Windows. Here you can find a step-by-step installation guide on this page. No worry, I will show you the live demo. Click on Download the Anaconda installer. It will take you to another page where you can download the file. Click on the Download button. The Anaconda exe file is currently getting downloaded. Once the file has been downloaded, install it on your system. Click Next. Read the licensing terms. And click I agree. Select and install for just me unless you are installing for all users, which requires Windows administrator privileges, and click Next. Select a destination folder to install Anaconda and click the Next button. Choose whether to register Anaconda as your default Python. Accept the default and leave this box checked. Click the install button. If you want to watch the package Anaconda is installing, click show details. The tool will take some time to install. Click the Next button. After a successful installation, you will see the Thanks for installing Anaconda dialog box. If you wish to read more about Anaconda organization and how to get started with Anaconda, check the boxes Anaconda Individual Edition tutorial and learn more about Anaconda. Click the Finish button. Once the installation is done, click Start. Search or select Anaconda Navigator from the menu. The application is now loading. Here you can see all the tools used in data science and machine learning. Thank you for watching. Connect with us for more tutorials.